Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Google Gemini and download the official application. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Google account. This step is crucial for activating Gemini's features and personalizing your experience. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date for optimal performance. Now, let's make Gemini your default assistant. Go to your phone settings, then search for Digital Assistant app or Default apps. From the list, choose Gemini as your preferred assistant. This allows you to activate Gemini with a long press of the power button or by saying, "Hey Google," depending on your device's configuration. It's a quick process to integrate Gemini seamlessly into your daily routine. With Gemini set up, you can now explore its powerful features. Ask it questions, get real-time information, or even generate creative text like poems or summaries. Gemini can also help you control smart home devices, set reminders, and manage your calendar. Just speak naturally, and Gemini will assist you with a wide range of tasks, making your Android experience more intuitive. To get the most out of Gemini, regularly check for app updates in the Play Store. Updates often bring new features and performance enhancements. Also, take a moment to review your privacy settings within the Gemini app to control what data is shared. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions, use the in-app feedback option. Your input helps make Gemini even better for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.